Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your photos to look retro using the dot filters on Canva. So here you can just open Canva and then prepare the image. So I'm going to find an image first, or you can also upload it. Here I'm going to use this photos right here. Now you can go to the apps in here on the left panel, and on the trending you can easily find this one, or you can also find it by clicking on the search bar, find screen. This one's right here. So the screen apps in here will help you to turn your photo into an analog look with a dot screen. So you can click on open. Okay, let's just wait, and now you can just select the filter that you want, the dot filter, the halftone, semitone, lino, or corduroy. So I'm going to go with this halftone. Here you can adjust the amount and also the scale, the lino count amount, and the lino cut scale. So adjust it to how you like it, and then you can just click on save when you are done. So this is how it will look like now, and that's how you can easily turn your photo into a retro photo on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.